Hmm. Okay, this third page, first BHMS degree examination. Okay, new regulation, homeopathic and pharmacy. Is it right? Are you able to see screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the homeopathic and pharmacy. Okay, actually, total name of pura, whole subject is homeopathic pharmacy. Okay, not homeopathic and pharmacy. Okay, but sir, I don't know which university they have made it. Okay, just they have given it. Okay, it is not important, but don't write like that. Okay, homeopathic pharmacy. Then all the instructions are same. Okay. Then section A, write an essay on one of the following. Homeopathic pharmacy is special and original. Okay, I think we have already discussed that 11 points. Specialty and originality of homeopathic pharmacy. Okay, so same thing. Okay, just they have altered the question. Okay, slightly alteration is there. The homeopathy pharmacy is special and original. Okay, so that you have to write that 11 points. Okay, so is it okay? You can do na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question is homeopathic pharmaceutical instrument and appliances. Okay, I told this is how much marks. Question is of how much marks?
14.
14. Okay, so try to write at least 14 instrument. Okay, but in our university there will be maximum 10 marks. Okay, so I'm just telling for your knowledge. You just always see the right side ki how much marks. Okay, according to that you have to change your mind. Okay. If suppose 5 marks, okay, you can just write 5 instruments, okay. Then where not necessary, okay, just don't waste your time in making diagrams where not necessary, okay, because this also consumes your 3 hours time, okay. So then write brief answer to any two of the following. Okay, again any two. Then homeopathic pharmacy in relation to our national economy. Okay, you have to write till current economy. I have told in when I was teaching. Okay, if you know anything new, like just 5 days before you have studied something in newspaper on news. Okay, that also you can write. Okay, in the national economy. Okay, what is the related with the national economy? Okay, current things also you can write in this question. Okay, purification and uses of vehicles. Okay, again this is slightly long question. Okay, purification, all the three vehicles are there, their purifications are there. Okay, then uses of vehicle, all the three vehicles, solid, liquid, semi-solid. Okay, so like this type of contradictory question just try to avoid. Okay, if you know answer of first, second and third, okay, all the threes, okay, try to write first and third because it is the direct questions. Okay, like 50 millisiemel potencies you can write. Okay, so if you know all the answers properly, okay, just means avoid answering those questions which are slightly like means they have some vague answers. Okay, like this is of 8 marks. Okay, but you have to write all the three. Okay, means semi-solid purification, solid purification, and liquid purifications. Okay, liquid vehicles. Okay, and then you have to give their uses also. So that is lengthy. Okay, so suppose if I know answer of all the three, okay, I will prefer A and C, okay, because they you will get the direct answer, okay, and that answers will not be so much long, okay. So use your common sense at that time, okay. Next is the write short note on any five of the following, okay. Filtration, okay, you can write posology, you can write pharmacopoeia, you can write lotion, okay, sublimation, okay. Then Succus calendula. What is this? SUCCUS calendula.
Lotion. Some type of
D is the
lotion.
lotion. D is the lotion. E is sublimation. What is F?
Harus long các bạn tiếng Phi tụ mình ta
Hmm? What is Succus calendula?
सर calendula तो lotion है और ये सर्कस
कैलेंडुला लोशन है?
सर एंटीसेप्टिक है ना?
Yes, so ointment.
हाँ ऑइंटमेंट।
अगर प्लेन कैलेंडुला हो तो वो ना तो ऑइंटमेंट है, ना लोशन है, ना लिनीमेंट है। उसको बनाने के बाद बनेगा ना।
Yes, sir.
तो सकस सकस कैलेंडुला क्या हो गया? कुछ भी आइडिया? क्वेश्चन की
एंटीसेप्टिक।
Sir, plant.
I
Sir,
understand it
active
is
principle
plant.
of calendula. Sir,
What is the meaning of succus? SUCCUS.
sir, maybe active principle of calendula.
कैसे कैसे हो सकता है?
सर जूस होता है शायद, मतलब
सक्कस का मतलब जूस होता है क्या?
शायद में भी।
कुछ भी देखो, सर्च करो।
So plant preserve करके जो जूस और अल्कोहल से बनाया जाता है, ऐसा गूगल पे दे रहा है।
क्या लिखा है गूगल पे?
सर लिखा है सर्टिफाइड ऑर्गेनिक केन अल्कोहल फॉर पोटेंसी।
पूरा स्पेलिंग क्या डाला है? SUCCUS
यस सर।
या पूरा सकर्षण डाला है?
नहीं सर।
करेक्ट है, वापस रीचेक करो। SUCCUS।
टिंचर क्या सर?
सर गैस्ट्रिक जूस और वेजिटेबल जूस सिक्रेटेड बाय एनी ऑर्गेनिज्म।
तो क्या ऐसा लिखा हुआ है? तो चलो, अगर इसका मतलब हम लोग जूस मान लेते हैं, ठीक है ना? तो सक्कस कैलेंडुला, कैलेंडुला जूस, तो उसके बारे में क्या शॉर्ट नोट लिखोगे?
सर मदर टिंचर से ही तो हम लोग वो निकाल सकते हैं, उसका एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं।
जूस से मदर टिंचर बनता है, मदर टिंचर से फिर जूस बनाओगे?
नहीं, मतलब हम कह रहे मदर टिंचर में ही पाया जाता है उसका एक्सट्रैक्ट, वरना होम्योपैथी में तो और कोई पॉसिबल नहीं है ना।
तो इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन क्या होगा? देखो, नॉर्मली सपोज कैलेंडुला है, ठीक है, मैरीगोल्ड, ओके। आपने प्लांट का लीफ लिया, उसको चॉप किया, चॉप करने के बाद जस्ट यू हैव एक्सट्रैक्टेड जूस फ्रॉम इट, ओके। आफ्टर एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ जूस, जस्ट यू हैव गॉन थ्रू द maceration or percolation process, okay. According to HPI, just you have applied that amount of menstruum in that and you have made it mother tincture, ठीक है। अब after making mother tincture, okay, as per rule of HPI, okay, you have just done succussion process, okay, because it is soluble, okay, in liquid, okay, or alcohol, okay, so you have gone for succussion and you got 1C or 1X potency of calendula. अब यहाँ कहाँ पर सकस वर्ड का वैल्यू है? Is it printing mistake? It is succussion of calendula?
Yes, sir, maybe.
Maybe ना। क्या करोगे इस क्वेश्चन के साथ?
तो any 5 दे रहा है तो उसको छोड़ के
छोड़ भी सकते हो, क्योंकि ऐसा कोई भी, मतलब होम्योपैथिक फार्मेसी में ऐसा कोई आंसर नहीं है ना कि जूस कैलेंडुला या क्या लिखोगे, है ना। या तो वो क्लेरिफाई करता है कि आपको 1X करना है, 1C करना है, या कैलेंडुला मदर टिंचर बनाना है ना। तो you can leave this type of question, okay, because I think it is a printing mistake, okay. There may be succussion of calendula, okay, and still question is not fully like justified, okay, ki succussion till what? 1X, 1C, 2C, 3C, okay. That is the problem, okay. So like this type of contradictory question you can leave, okay, if you are like, okay, if second thing, suppose you have only 5 question, any 5, and you are not understanding, then what you understand that you have to write, okay, because if suppose this question is like bonus, okay, so this bonus only those get who do attempt, remember it, okay, even in competitive exam, okay, like even like NEET or anything exam happens, okay, suppose some questions are wrong or answers are wrong or the way of questioning is wrong, okay, the bonus only those student gets who attempt that questions, understand? So suppose you have only 5 questions, you don't have alternatives, then you can have to attempt what you understand. Okay, at that time everything can come in your mind. Somebody will write only calendula mother tincture, somebody will write about the succussion of calendula, somebody will write about the 1x potency of calendula, somebody will write about the 1c potency of calendula, okay, but marks only those will get, okay, who will attempt the question, remember it, okay. Still I am also not knowing the answer, okay, because I am not means like fully, okay, understanding the question, okay, that this is the problem. Okay, so this type of question always, okay, normally it doesn't happen in our institute because like if any type of doubt is there, okay, within 15 minutes we just talk with you and we clarify, okay. So here don't take tension about that. Okay, next na, till here, okay, यहाँ तक clear है?
Yes, sir.
Still if you are understanding this question means you have some, you got some, like this is correct question, you can tell, okay, because I am thinking it is not a correct question, okay, some mistake is there, it may be like a typological mistake or some like questioning, anything mistake is there, okay. The next question is write an essay on one of the following, section B, okay. Prescription, principle, component, mode of writing and validity, okay. Prescription, principle, components, okay, mode of writing and validity. Any problem in this question? Anything you have not understood? Everything is clear cut in your book. Validity, about validity in your book it is given. Prescription, about prescription in your book it is given. Principles, okay, it is given. Components, superscription, inscription, subscription, signature, and mode of writing, okay, just you can give one example how like superscription, what should be written, okay, like that. So any doubt in this question? Hello? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay. Next question is standardization of drugs. Can you write answer of this question? Yes or no? Fighterness. Can you write answer of this question? You have kept mute your this speaker. I think you have kept both, or you are not hearing properly. Hello. Am I audible na? Okay, this is there is 5 points are there, okay, like organoleptic evaluation, okay, then chemical evaluation, physical evaluation, okay, then uh, biological evaluation, okay, so all these 5 points you have to write, okay. Organoleptic, you know all the sense organs, then okay, chemical evaluation, physical evaluation, okay, biological evaluation, okay, all these things, microscopic evaluation, okay, all these things you have to write in this standardization of drug, okay. Then write brief answer to any two of the following, okay, any two of the following you have to write. Next, Vomika, okay. Biological and chemical characteristics. Can you write biological and chemical characteristics? What you will write in this? Next, Vomika, biological and chemical characteristics. Normally you have to write about the microscopic and macroscopic, okay, just next, Vomika, what is it looks like, okay, what parts are used, okay, how it is microscopically, that you have to write, okay. Then methods of preparation of drug from animal product, okay, how will you prepare homeopathic drug from animal product, or what are the different methods. Okay, then animal product like no-sodes, okay, you can tell no-sodes, okay, sarcodes. Then determination of proof strength of alcohols, okay, what are the proof strength of alcohol, okay. Then next is write short note on any 5 of the following. Decimal potencies, I think you can write. Pharmacodynamics, you can write trituration. Dynamic power, okay, dynamic power is potentization, okay. Okay, then mother tincture, okay, then weights, okay, then liniment, okay. So any 5 you have to write, okay. Still you have any doubt in this?
So proof strength of alcohol में कैसे क्या लिखेंगे?
प्रूफ स्पिरिट के बारे में लिखना है, जो अंडर प्रूफ एंड ओवर प्रूफ स्पिरिट है ना, एक बार मेंडल एंड मेंडल में चेक करो. अंडर प्रूफ, ओके, प्रूफ स्पिरिट में दिया है 2 टाइप्स विच आर अंडर प्रूफ एंड ओवर प्रूफ, ओपी एंड यूपी, है ना.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
है ना, तो उसके बारे में लिखना है ना, प्रूफ स्पिरिट, ओके.
Okay sir.
देन ओके, फर्स्ट BHMS डिग्री एग्जामिनेशन ओल्ड रेगुलेशन, ओके, मीन्स एक्चुअली क्या हुआ, जैसे still somebody is studying in first BHMS, okay, who has taken admission before 2015, so they have to give exam in old course, okay, so like that, okay. So this is a old course question paper, okay, because new course started from after 2015. So homeopathic pharmacy again, okay, describe various types of instrument and appliances used in pharmacy, add a note on their utility. Okay, describe various types of instruments and appliances used in pharmacy, add a note on their utility. I have told you earlier also about utility, okay. Nani Sunia, hello.
Yeah.
Can you write answer of this question? 15 marks.
Describe various instruments. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Well, after reading, I can write.
But there is no doubt na how to write.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Then describe the purification test of vehicles. Okay, what are the purification? Again, this question is okay, like, but marks are more. 15 marks means you have to write all the 3 tables. Okay, purification test for first is what? That your solid vehicles, then liquid vehicles, then semi-solid vehicles. All the 3 have tables. Okay, that all the 3 tables you have to write. Okay, describe the purification test of vehicles. Okay, this is, I told you also, it is a practical question also. Okay, so that you need to remember for theory question. Okay, then write short notes on any 4. Okay, drug strength. Okay, then the drug strength you can write. Okay, drug strength is the new method of preparation. Okay, glycerol. Okay, GYCEROCE. What is this? GYCEROCE. Hilarity. Hello. Mansi.
Typing again, printing mistake.
It is again a printing mistake. They want to write it like a glycerol. Okay. So just use your common sense. Okay. But you can only use your common sense when you will study. Okay. Otherwise you will think this is same thing. Okay. What is written. Next is the trituration. Okay. Then jumping potency. Then pharmacognosy. Okay. So you can write. Then describe the old and new method of preparation of mother tincture. Understand how much long this question is? Can you imagine you have to write 2 chapters, old method and new method. Understand? And how will you write? Okay, and how you will write? You have to manage in exam section. Okay, yeah, how will you write this? Because question is like that, describe the old and new method of preparation of mother tincture. Otherwise, only one single question, describe the old method of preparation of mother tincture or new method of preparation of mother tincture, both are lengthy questions, okay. But they have just compiled 2 questions, okay. You have to manage how to write. Okay. Then describe. That's why the table information is important in old method. Okay. The new method you can just give a slide description. Okay. Otherwise the time issue is big issue. Okay. Describe the procedure of standardization of drug. Okay, how will you standardize? Again, same question. Okay, organoleptic evolution, microscopic, physical, chemical, biological. Okay, 2 times this question came. Okay, remember these things. Okay, standardization. Now, 6th question. Okay, write short note on any 4. Okay, sublimation, posology, best prover. Okay, then percolation, sterilization. Okay, so what do you understand by best prover? Who is the best prover?
Physician itself.
Okay, physician himself is a best prover. Okay, sterilization you can write. Okay, you can write physiology sterilization also. If you have studied in physiology about sterilization, you can just, the meaning is same. Okay, just you have to make a microorganism free. Okay, then way is everywhere same. Okay, so you can do. Okay, in second year you will study about all these things method. Okay, in just explained. Okay, like autoclaves and all these things you will study. Okay, now next question paper is again new regulation. Okay, this is again, this new regulation is yours. Okay, this is new regulation. Okay, in some colleges like they are running from last 10 years, so they have both type of students are there, na? New and old. Okay, our institute is just opened in 2016, that's why we have only new course students. Okay, then write a essay on the following. Okay, essential component of pharmacy. Now what you will write? This question is new for me also. Essential component of pharmacy, what you will write? Just any guesswork.
The instruments that we used in pharmacy.
Confirm. तो
I'm
question should be like that, na? Ki what are the instruments used in homeopathic pharmacy? Here it is essential components of pharmacy, and this came in any university exam. Okay, I don't know from where I have downloaded. Okay, but this came pattern by pattern. I can tell it is from some South India university. Okay, it may be Kerala University, it may be Rajiv Gandhi University. Okay, so it may be like any other universities. Still, I'm not knowing. But what is the essential? Just guesswork. I am just telling you to suppose this question.
सर वो जो फर्स्ट चैप्टर में 10 पॉइंट्स हैं वो प्रिजर्वेशन
11.
कलेक्शन नहीं preservation, collection, identification, quality, inspection, sterilization, combining, compounding, preparing, quality control और dispensing.
हाँ, मुझे भी यही लग रहा है ना?
हाँ सर, क्योंकि वही है ना, होम्योपैथिक फार्मेसी इंक्लूड्स ये सब, तो यही
Different components. Okay, so what you are writing in your definition, okay, means what you will write in your definition: identification, preparation, preservation, sterilization, combining, compounding, everything you have to explain in detail. Okay, just each point you have to explain. Already that is in your book. Okay, but this question I came across first time. Okay, so essential components of pharmacy, you understood, na? You have to explain the each point of that. Okay, each point. Okay, any doubt, still you have like you are feeling there may be some other answer, you can tell. Okay, it is not like, okay, we can just like talk, because I am feeling answer is same. Okay, essential components, so that are the components. Okay, still you have any doubt, you can tell. Anyone? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay, means it is okay, na? Ki it is right answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then Okay, because this all the components, this question I think it came, means I came across this question first time. Okay, because normally till now I was like just remember definition of homeopathic pharmacy and the sources of homeopathic pharmacy, but anybody will give it in a long question to explain each component. Okay, this came first time. Okay, means this question came previously, but I came across first time. Okay, then second is the vehicles in pharmacy. Now again the problems. Okay, 14 marks question. Okay, but suppose if you will write the vehicle chapter, okay, this is more than 30 pages. Okay, so you have to understand how much you will write. Okay, normally I have given like just like what you can tell ki I have given in class hint. Okay, ki for like this type of questions how much at least you have to write. Okay, so that hint you have to follow. Okay, don't go to write just 20-30 pages. Okay, you have to manage times with other, but vehicles in pharmacy is a very lengthy. Okay, you have to just manage there only. Okay, next. Okay, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is the right. Okay. Briefly any two of the following. Okay. Any two you have to write briefly. Okay. 2 into 5 means each question is of 5 marks. Okay. Dynamization you can write. Okay. Then homeopathic pharmacopoeias you can write. Fluxion potency also you can write. Okay. You can attempt all the questions. Okay. Then, okay. So this question is there, but where are other questions? Next question paper came, na? This much only. Okay. So this question is only this much. Okay. The next is, no, I think there is more. More is there. Oh, B section is this, na? We have just completed A section. B section is there. Fluxion potency. But this is the very small question paper. Now I cannot turn pages. Okay, so this is only this much. Okay. Okay, next is this. Next paper. Okay, page number 6. Is it visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Next is how many are, everyone is able to listen or not? Jahanvi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then Tarjun is there. Okay, then Bafinda.
Yes, sir.
Okay, means I feel you are not able to listen. Okay, that's why I'm taking your names. Sudhanshu. Okay, then okay. Next is okay. Just I have one request. Okay, can in your Zoom profile can you like edit like Kaniska? Kaniska has written Kaniska 23. Okay, so 23 stands for her roll number. Okay, so like that can you do? It will be easy for me to like tell you. Okay, because like some names very difficult to. Okay, means it is time taking. Is it possible? Okay, just try to edit after that. Okay, so it will be easy for me. Okay, because
Yes,
every
sir.
time, okay, just edit it like you can, your name, suppose Jahanvi has, can write Jahanvi. Okay, then just her roll number, Uzala, her roll number. Okay, Kaniska has written. Okay, like one is the only written roll number. Okay, like roll number 55. Okay, so it will be easy for me to talk with you. Okay, because like just to clarify your means name spelling, it takes time. Okay, okay, just do like that. Okay, it will be easy for me. Then first BHMS examination, homeopathic pharmacy. Okay, answer section A and B in separate answer book. Okay, then describe any one of the following. Okay, describe development of pharmacy from the time of Hahnemann. Now it is a big problem. Development of pharmacy from the time of Hahnemann. What you will write?
History, sir.
The history from where you will start.
From the discovery of homeopathy.
Okay, you have to start from 1790 what? 1 or 96?
1796.
Okay, that was the okay, but you have to write previous things also. He came across
1791.
Cullen's Materia Medica. Okay, and when he got like similia similibus curanter, means like when cinchona bark, crude cinchona is given to anybody, they will healthy person will develop same type of symptom. Okay, then he has done all this experiment. Okay, he came across, then he gave homeopathy. Then you have to write little about posology. It is not necessary to write about the pharmacopoeia, but you can write he has given one Materia Medica book just containing 27 drugs. Okay, there is no need to write about the name like fragmenta diveribus medicamentorum positivus syn in seno corporo humano observalis. Okay, because this is very lengthy. But in fourth year, I think you need to remember this because this is also first repertory, first Materia Medica, many things. Okay. Then he has written other books also like Materia Medica Pura. Okay, so just a little you have to take a help of Organon of Medicine. Okay, means you have to write the life sketch of Dr. Hahnemann in concern with the homeopathic pharmacy. Okay, like then he has given about the potentization in 5th edition. Then in 6th edition he has given about the alum potency. He has given about the drug proving. Okay, that is explained in the aphorism number 105 to 145. Okay, all these things. Okay, you have to write. Okay, which are in concern with the homeopathic pharmacy. Okay, so this will only come when our total homeopathic pharmacy syllabus is completed. Okay, so just you have to write the summary of homeopathic pharmacy syllabus. Understand? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just you have to write a summary of homeopathic pharmacy syllabus. Okay. Then equipments and apparatus required for the homeopathic pharmacy. Okay, that you can write. Okay, then describe brief of the two of the following. Okay, conversion potency and its merits. Okay, conversion that 6x is converted into 8x and 3c is converted into 4c. Okay, then collection and preservation of the drugs. Okay, that only drug, no, not a potentized drugs or not the mother tincture. Okay, then somewhere we have studied about the medicine. Okay, there you have to write about the collection and preservation of potentized medicine. Okay, because one question where just previously we have discussed collection and preservation of medicine. Okay, so that you have to. Then sucrose manufacturing and its use in homeopathic pharmacy. Okay, just how it is manufactured. Okay, means from how it is manufactured and how it is just used for making of the sugar of milk and globules, all that you have to write. Okay, then trituration and succussion. Okay, you have to write a little about the, okay, it is not like a difference. Okay, then you can write in theory. Okay, you have to not write like a difference of trituration and succussion. Okay, so remember these things. Okay, then you have to write about uh, the write short notes of any 5. Okay, master prover. Okay, who was the master prover? So that time you have to write about the who are the persons, concerned persons in the process of proving methodology. At that time you can explain about the, okay, just you have to start with the methodology of drug proving. These things are there. Okay, and these the like working persons are these. Then master prover is these. Okay, that you have to explain. Then after that, pharmacology you have to write. Rule 85B of Drug and Cosmetic Act. Okay, then you have to write class 7 preparation. Okay, then there I think printing mistake is there. That's why numberings are not there. Okay, then toxicological proving. Okay, toxicological findings. Okay, that then article 284 of the organon. Why this question came? Article 284 or the aphorism 284 of organon. This should not be there. Okay, it's okay. Okay, but I don't think this will come Okay, later on. Okay, then thoroughly proved drugs. How you will tell your drugs are thoroughly proved? Okay, the aphorism 284. Okay, because now to this your syllabus is fixed. Okay, so I don't think this is previous questions. Okay, so this much is there. Okay, we will see in section B. Any doubt till now? Okay, section B. Describe any one of the following manufacture of alcohol. Okay, so how will you? Okay, normally you have to start. Okay, that is from the this cane sugar. Okay, normally from there it is more things are produced. Okay, then common adulteration of the lactose and test for their detection. Okay, means all the things you have to write about the purification of this solid. Okay, means solid vehicles. Okay, then describe brief on any two of the following. Okay, like nosodes. Okay, now difference you have to write briefly on following. Okay, sucrose, nosodes, sources, preparation and types. Okay, how it is prepared, its type. Then class first, second, third, fourth of old method of classification. Okay, which are the solubles. Okay, that. Then merits of new methods of preparation. What is the merits of new method? Okay, percolation and this maceration. What are the merits? Okay, one thing is regarding the drug strength. Okay, then millisimal and centesimal scales. Okay, means X and C potencies you have to explain. Okay, then write short note on any five of the following. Okay. What is the PLU? What is this? PLUA, Plua potency, what? Can you read it? Hello? Nobody is there. Vishal,
Yes, sir.
क्या क्या लिखा है ये? Question
Sir,
number 6A.
sir, plus potency है या प्लूआ potency?
या फ्लक्सन पोटेंसी है.
हाँ, हो सकता है सर.
Okay, so actually I think it is a fluxion potency. That is again typological problem. Okay, because Plua potency we have not studied. Okay, plus potency we have not studied. Then only we have remaining is fluxion potency. Okay, then pharmacology, pharmaconomy. Okay, that is drug administration. Okay, then active principles of the digitalis. Okay, 5. Okay, means it is 4-mark question. The active principle of digitalis. Okay, big problem now because you have to 4-mark, at least you have to write 5 to 6 lines. Okay, of what you will write. Okay, otherwise you can write the normal, that physiological action of digitalis also. Okay, plus means you can write the active principle of digitalis is this. Okay, and now you can write the all the physiological action of digitalis. Okay, so that you can do. Okay, because only one line answer. Okay, active principle of digitalis is this. Okay, so but you have to write with that the physiological action of digitalis in body. Okay, then posology you can write capillary analysis or capillary action. You can write drug and cosmetic act in brief. You have to write. Okay, then importance of sign. Okay, signa or signature in prescription. What is the importance of signature that you have to write? Okay, again 4-mark question. Okay, so till here anything you any doubt? Okay, mostly today we come across the spelling mistakes. Okay, spelling mistake or typological mistake is there. Okay, so that you have to understand. Only you will understand when you will read it properly, that particular question or that particular topics. Okay, otherwise sometimes it happens. Okay, if you will not read properly, you will not understand and you will just write the same thing. हाँ, this is the question. Okay,
Sir.
तो हाँ बोलो.
सर वो ऑर्गेनॉन वाला जो क्वेश्चन था जो आर्टिकल 284 वाला है.
284 actually that is related with the auxiliary. Okay, auxiliary line of treatment and the diet and regimen. Okay, means okay ki auxiliary line of treatments are there like ki mesmerism. Okay, magnetic therapy, mud therapy. Okay, so Dr. Henneman has told about all this therapy in the last aphorisms. Okay, when you come from 282, 283, 284, 285, 286, 287, 288, 289, 290, and 291. Okay, he has told about the diet and regimens, and he has told about the all these things. Okay, like with homeopathic medicine, you have to take the other things also. Okay, like you can explain to your patient about the this physiotherapy. Okay, nowadays like in Ayush system, you are telling to patient to do the yoga. Okay, so like he just know about the physiotherapy. He has told about the magnetic therapy. He has told about the other treatment like water therapy. Okay, so these things were there. Okay, so just we will read that aphorism later on. Okay, to it. Okay, but I don't think this will come. Okay, as a question, but we will read that aphorism number 284. Okay, separately. Okay,
सर
just read.
रूल 85B क्या है?
Rule 85B is again related with the cancellation and this of this license. Okay, cancellation and acceptance of license. It is related with totally the license. Okay, just we can go through that 285B. Two minutes, na? I will tell you the pages. Legislation in relation to homeopathic pharmacy. Nomenclature. Evolution. Page 448. For general legislation, okay. 20C, 20D, okay. Then 35, Rule 20, okay. Then 21 licensing, 85E, 85D, okay. 85C, 85C, na question. 85B, okay, sorry, 85B. Question is of 85B. Application for license to manufacture homeopathic medicine. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, application for license to, okay, and where is the cancellation? Application for manufacturing new homeopathic medicine, 85C, okay. So remember this thing, at least a heading you remember, okay. When you will remember the headings, okay, it will not be problem to write the answer, okay. Like application, 85B is the application for license to manufacture homeopathic medicines, okay. For the manufacturing of homeopathic medicines, okay. Understood? Remember
Yes,
it. Okay, 85B. Okay. Now anything. Okay, 284 I will tell you later on because I don't have organ book here. Okay. I will tell you later on about the 284 aphorism. Exactly what is there. Exactly what is there. Okay. Because I know from 281, okay, 282 to 291, Dr. Henneman has told about the auxiliary line of treatments, okay, but exactly in what is there in 284, what he has told about the hydrotherapy, or he has told about the magnetic therapy, or he has told about the mud therapy, that I am not knowing. Okay, so I will tell you later on. Anything else?
सर ये मास्टर प्रूवर वाला फिर से एक बार बता दीजिएगा.
मास्टर प्रूवर में आपको पहले लिखना है कि यू हैव टू स्टार्ट विद द मेथोडोलॉजी. ओके, कि मेथोडोलॉजी फॉर द ड्रग प्रूविंग्स आर, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू चेक द क्वालिटी ऑफ मेडिसिन. Okay, then you have methodology, and then you have to like check for the quality of the drugs. Okay, then in methodology, next point will be the methodology. In methodology you have the concerned persons, or the you can write it like the proving staffs. Okay, in proving staffs you can write that this is the master prover who take care of the whole process of the proving. Okay, because things are there. Okay, already we know the heritage means the process. Okay, how the things are there, who is the director, who is the master prover, to whom the proving will be going on. Okay, so all these things you have to write. Okay, try to write only in the, like it is 4 marks question. Okay, so just try to write in 5 to 10 lines, okay, not more than that. Okay, many times it depend upon the your like answer booklet also, okay, which type of answer booklet is given, okay, because in different university answer booklets are shape is different. Okay, so just see the answer booklet how the shape is, okay, because in some university they give like a register, okay, some booklet the like it is a rectangular big, okay, means length is more but the width is less. Okay, so in our university it is like a register. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so you can write, okay, just you go through that chapter, okay, and you can write that. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, you have soft copy of that or not? Legislation, I think I have taught you in this online. Okay, so I think you have the soft copy. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, anything else? And after completing, okay, I am sending you the question papers. Okay, so where you feel like where you are feeling ki this may be a like tough question, you can make a small notes. Okay, it is not necessary to write everything. Okay, notes means that will just give you idea ki when you just read 2-3 lines, everything will click in your mind. That is called as a notes. Okay, just copying from book to in your notebook is not the notes. Okay, means you just write 4 or 5 point and you can understand, huh? Now I can write a lengthy answer. Okay, so this is called as means some clicking points, okay, that you have to write. Understood, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that it will be easy for you to prepare. Okay, means like 1 or 2 days before. Many times it happens ki between 2 exams you get only 1 day, or even sometimes it happens you are not getting a single day, only 1 night you get. Okay, so that time you can revise from your like that notes also. Okay, and just 2 hours before your exam also you can just you can revise from that notes. Okay, so notes are like key, you can just write some clicking point. Okay, not the all the things you just put on the from book you put on your papers or pages. Okay, it is not notes. Okay, anything else? और कुछ पूछना है? हेलो?
No, sir.
Okay ना, तो should we stop here? Okay, then okay, next we Monday I think it will be difficult because we will be going through some classes. Okay, means some classes will be there for us on Monday.